All right, everyone, I'm going to call the docket. When I call the docket, please stand, let me know you are here. Otherwise, I'm going to assume you're not here and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. It is Friday Eve. I don't think anyone want to be mistaken for not being here. It's going to be a great day because we're going to make it a great day. All right, in custody, we have Andre Middlebrooks, Dorian Camarillo. Thank you. Deputy Laura, I didn't roll my R because the last time I did that, the day was not great. So I purposely didn't roll the R. Roberto Monreal. All right, I'm sorry. It may not be a great day because I rolled the R. Eric Cepeda. Fernando Rodriguez.
President.
Pearson. Jesus Alanis, custody. Jonathan Pomerantz, custody. Jonathan Rodriguez, he's by Zoom. Let me check. Oh, there's somebody that says iPhone. I don't know if that's him or not. We shall see. Joseph Dominguez. Joseph Daniel Dominguez. Victor Guzman, custody. Roland De La Garza, custody. Jacob Leal. Samuel Tabler, custody. Thank you. Gilbert Cuellar, custody. Mark Anthony Guerrero. Mark Anthony Guerrero. Deputy Laura, you know, whenever I see the name Mark Anthony, it takes me back to my childhood. In middle school, I had to remember his eulogy of Julius Caesar. Didn't come here to praise him, came here to bury him.
The cried havoc of the 60 dogs of war.
Do you know people are still upset? Like you can find flowers to Julius Caesar. Everybody else, they spit on their graves. It's like, are y'all related to these people? When are we going to let that go? They're not letting it go. Julian Teo. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Yes, you did.
No. Matthew Cadena.
Here you are.
Joseph Dominguez. Rosalind Torres. Adam Cruz, custody. John Garza. See, I rolled the R. Francel Braggs, custody. Marcella, how do you pronounce that? Urabas? Thank you. Courtney Price, custody. I think Richard Garcia got a reset on that.
Yes, the third. No, the 5th. I'm sorry, Judge, March 5th.
Okay. Jessica Cantu, custody. Albert Santana. Quentin Meadows. Pavanta, oh, that's been reset.
Yeah.
Gabriel Zamora. DeAndre Coleman, custody. Jameson Franklin. Melissa Paez, custody. Baldemaro Chapa, and I want to say he's on Zoom.
Yes, ma'am. Council is present.
All right, thank you. Emmanuel Galindo.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you. Jonathan Rodriguez, maybe by Zoom, maybe that's him. Joseph Daniel Dominguez. Mark Anthony Guerrero. Julian Teo. Joseph Daniel Dominguez. Rosalind Torres. John Garza. Quentin Meadows. All right, is there anyone, your name wasn't called or you came in late? What's your name?
Bias.
Oh, yes, his attorney asked that he be recalled today, so he's not on the docket, but so State, could you guys make sure you have the
Yes, sir.
File for Marquez Bias. He was on yesterday's docket. So attorneys, do y'all know the rules or do I need to repeat the rules?
I believe I'm good, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. If you're not good, don't say you're good. All right, guys, please confer. But no, Deputy Lauren, you know who else is still upset? People in Paris are still upset with Marie Antoinette. They're holding a grudge. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Good morning. Holman. Or in 14. Kevler.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hi,
May I approach the court?
yes. How's it going?
I'm in trial in the 437th. I've got a gentleman that's on the docket this morning at Devlin Richard, excuse me, Bronx Way. Hold on. Got the wrong page up. It is Matthew Cadena. It's the second setting after indictment.
Let me find him on the docket.
I sent this to you just.
Just 1 second. Let me
Yes,
sign
ma'am.
into,
Yes, ma'am.
how do I see it? Then if you give me the case number, we'll
Yes,
take
ma'am.
care of it.
You just tell me when you're ready for the case
Okay.
number.
Yes. Yeah.
So how long you guys been in trial?
Since Monday.
In which court?
In, well,
Okay. All right, I'm just waiting for Odyssey.
yeah, no worries. Yeah, after, when we're not on the, a chit chat about
Zoom.
Yeah,
So let me pull it up. So we're back on. And let me see, I think it may be the person on the iPhone.
Matthew Cadena.
All right, the person on the iPhone, are you Matthew Cadena? Oh, you're here. Oh, come forward.
Matthew, what's up?
I'm gonna put you, Miss, I know who you are. I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room, okay?
Yes, she's.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Testing through.
Yeah, just give us a moment.
Okay, thank
Norma, what page is Matthew Cadena on? Because defense counsel needs to head back for a jury trial.
Page 4, Your Honor.
All right,
Oh,
page 4.
At the bottom.
Good
Oh,
morning, ladies.
good morning. State. This is not your division. I think this is a special division.
It's the theft.
No. We have a lot of unindicted.
Yeah, there's.
Yeah.
They're all unindicted.
Miss Ferguson. On this case, we're gonna give it a 45-day reset, and by that time, things should be
Yes, ma'am.
completed, whether
Oh,
they're gonna indict
Or
or not.
not, exactly.
45-day reset.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate you.
You're
And
welcome.
make sure you come and visit me if I get incarcerated. Yeah. Put some money in my commissary. I would greatly appreciate it.
I will sell barbecue plates.
I-
You get it done.
You man, I'm appreciating that. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you know there's this Chinese businessman for his, you know how you give bonuses to people? What he did for his company, he's like, I'm not doing that thing where we give watches again and give this. He had banquet tables. And I want to say he put out $26 million. And he told the employees,
Go right.
you can have as much as you can carry. But here's that, people don't understand that money is very heavy, right?
Yeah,
So the most somebody was able to carry out, because you can't, oh, I'm going to the car,
Right.
and coming back, $13,000.
that's it.
That's it. You think you could have done more? Deputy Laura said she would.
I'd be eating it, man. I'd be eating it, you know, make sure that I take enough fiber so that it will come out properly.
All right, sir, is there anything you need? Did you understand everything?
Yes, and I'm gonna have him sign this and he'll have a copy of it.
All right,
Thank
so
you.
much. You're welcome.
I appreciate you, Judge.
All
Thank you
right,
so
thank
much.
you. Good luck.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
State, what division is that for those cases? On Cadena, the ones that need to be indicted? Okay, I'll go with that. If y'all can contact them and let them know that that case is being reset for April 13th. And if they could have an update for the court on the status of those other cases. All right, thank you.
And it's your copy. Okay, all righty, my friend. Be safe out there, okay? Be careful.
All right, is there anyone who's ready?
Nobody's sending yet.
All right, thank you. Oh, State, when you all are ready on that contested hearing, let me know, because I didn't want to keep her waiting.
Whatever defense counsel gets here.
Which page?
Yeah, I know he's always. Not way are. They go by different. I don't think the standards. Oh, I was like, oh.
Oh, it's Adam Cruz.
Uh-oh.
No, it was another one.
Well, it's on page 5, David Garcia.
Yes.
And where is he in trial?
No, he's on the eviction just because he didn't come in. He was just getting his trial date. He was talking about it was done. Do you remember that?
All right, State, have you all conferred on a trial date for Adam Cruz on page 5?
Let me find it. I still have a. Yeah, that better.
Remember, that's the only case he has on the docket.
But he had enough.
I don't see anyone else.
Let me call him just to make sure.
Okay. Oh, this case is a first setting.
No, Jake, he was asking if I know he said next week.
Okay. All right.
We'll be out on the conference. Okay,
So he's here today, correct?
he should be here.
All right.
Sorry, Judge. I was zoning out.
Oh, no problem.
Not on the second row unless you're the defendant.
No worries, no worries.
You could have some. Oh, yeah, you just get rid of this orange. It's really.
You have a case issue? What's your name?
Let's shoot at.
There's one level before this, right?
All right, thank you.
Yeah. So. This name. No just couldn't help that. Settlers. You very much. Okay.
On this page, one of the cases, the one is, was TIC, but we haven't. Oh, okay.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, would you go back?
Yeah, I responded to the same comment.
Yeah. no problem. And then see
Oh, I think he's.
see if that was that already. And then she can just go do your touch.
In my language is.
Bless you, bless you, bless you. Bless you.
Very.
I only have so many questions.
Right.
Okay.
I'll go back up to the meeting.
Hoping it smells better than. The workshops. Huh? We're not gonna present it. Put in a valve. Yeah. For reminding me. I don't want to get to that big thing. That's good.
What I was gonna say.
Different thing you have to.
Yeah, really do that here. Okay, yeah. It's up here, not what you. Yeah, I think it's, but I'm not doing like a full fast. How did you get in touch with the neighbor? Are they friends or?
So,
When it came to audio.
exactly. We, Wi-Fi. What's like last on, you know, where safer. I mean, I should tell you. And I said. Looks like it's partly auto. So it's just. So. So. Watch. So.
Did you hear what I'm sorry? I don't think
Yes, I know I wrote it. I think it's like 6 words.
Right.
I'll tell you.
Yeah. Okay.
You still have great hair.
Okay. My wife's looking like, well, when I over and do this, she's like, yeah, that's the move. They do. You're right. No, I do that. Cut some garbage. Very cool.
Giving you, yeah, using your kind of use of their so.
Like my grandfather had. He said, "Hey, I had three." So I'm like, "I think
Yes.
I just got off the phone with BTC and they start their staffing at noon.
Okay.
And he said that he would have an answer for Pearson at around 1:30. So I just wanted to let you know.
All right, do you guys want to be excused and come back at 1:30? All right, thank you.
We have dinner.
Got done a shot here real quick, okay?
Sure.
John Garza? What do you want?
It happens when you start taking your coat. I know. Thank you. Nobody's laughing.
Is there anyone who's ready? Okay. Good morning.
So.
Joseph Dominguez?
Yes.
Docket is this. Or we can sit at the school. I have
Excuse me. Vashawn. Happy Black History Month.
Happy Black History Month, Judge.
Megan. Happy Black History Month. So because we're getting close to the end, here are three names. Vivian Thomas, Marie Brown, and Charles Houston. Now, and I said Charles Houston because we have it's Houston, that's in Texas. So, yeah. All right, who's here on Melissa Paez? And where is she?
Oh, she's in that judge. Do we have her brought out?
Yes, what are you asking for though?
Your Honor, we're just asking for this sentencing to be recalled for tomorrow. Robert is in Wilson County this morning. He has to meet with Olmsted Park Police this afternoon.
Okay. All right, let's have her brought out.
Thank you. Thank you.
And they're very.
Just for it.
Yes.
Votes for signatures.
Right. Okay, thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The investigator here, but. It's not that I'm not from. That's the way. So that's, you know, I think this is data. You know.
No, I'll be right back. I'll be back.
Oh. Pretty popular. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Whenever Judge comes back, my lady's up here now.
Well, yeah, I was thinking about how far. But then if you say college, even if it's college, it's not. On a position. Okay, that you don't. Not yet. There's no right. Okay. Not yet. Yeah. And it's definitely. I just don't know. Yeah.
Just, good for being on the beach and drinking like lemonade, just relaxing.
There's nothing.
My approach better than that.
Oh, yes.
Very quick question, Your Honor. I'm not sure the proper procedure for this.
On who? Okay. All right, Melissa Paez. Norma, on this case, it's set for sentencing. State, this is Melissa Paez. It's set for sentencing, but defense counsel is out of county on another matter. So is everyone okay? It's an opposed offer. I don't know. Did you all have witnesses?
If we're not opposed to it, if you want to accept the.
Okay, all right. So we won't be able to do it on Friday because I have a mental health docket.
Okay.
So if you can speak with Miss Ferguson and you all come up with a date. So we're just trying to get a date for your attorney to be here, okay? So if you'll confer with her and then let me know what date y'all have decided on.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I just make sure what the calendar looks like for next week. Sure. Thank you.
All right, anyone else ready?
Yes, it's on the same page.
Jamison Franklin.
Your former, it used to be my guy. He upgraded SE. Can I have one more?
Court is calling 2025 CR 004-587 State versus Jamison Franklin. Could I have parties announced?
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Mr. Franklin?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? And did you understand it?
So Judge, I apologize. I had not gone over the first amendment with him, just to kind of show it to it real quick.
Okay.
This was what was on the phone. The older case.
Can you do it on like the third or something?
Yeah.
Wait, let me just check, just 1 second. Oh, I'm sorry, off the record for a moment. All right, the second is fine. Yes. And we're back on the record, Cindy. Right, no, that's what I'm saying, but just so you have noticed it was.
Okay.
No. All right. So, Mr. Franklin, did you have a chance to review the motion to revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney?
Yes, yes,
And did you understand it?
yes.
Are you the same Jamison Franklin who was placed on community supervision for the offense of manufacturing delivery of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on July 24th, 2025 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
On state's first amended violated condition number 1, on or about the 3rd day of December 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Jameson Robert Franklin committed the offense of possession of controlled substance or violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
Violated.
Well, I mean, if he's pleading not true, today is supposed to be set for a contested. Are you all?
So
Do you want to?
I apologize, Judge. I didn't know exactly what the court wanted to do today because this is actually a first amendment we were just handed today. These are new offenses that happened. I think the offense date is on either Monday or Tuesday of this week. And so I was gonna ask the court for a reset at this point because of the new allegations. Additionally, Judge, I was not appointed onto the new cases. So I do not have the discovery as of yet.
So from the allegation that's not the amended motion, but the original motion, the allegation of possession dated from December 3rd, 2025, you don't have discovery on that?
No, Judge, I do have discovery on that. I am the attorney appointed on that case. I would just ask for a reset, Judge, because at this point with the new offenses, I think it would be, for all parties and the court, it might not be efficient to try and proceed with those cases, the MTR today, when potentially we could wrap all the cases together. And I've conferred with the state on this, and that was kind of our approach to it, Judge.
So when is that going to be accomplished, if that is accomplished?
Well, I would need to get on the new cases or get the discovery in the new cases. So as soon as that could be done, Judge.
And are the labs in for the?
So, no, Judge, and the types of charges that the new cases are, we would not be able to proceed on the drug at this time because the turnaround for the testing, but there are 2 other cases that would potentially be able to be proceeding with the.
All right, and the other 2 cases,
It's a theft and a fraud use.
do you have discovery on those?
I do not.
All right, so he needs to have discovery on those. And Norma? Yes. This will be the last reset for this case. Set this for a contested hearing in 3 weeks.
And just, for opinion, is Roger Bettis, so I'll contact Roger Bettis and see if I can just put Jonathan on there.
Okay.
And just take him off.
Thank you.
They're assigned to.
That works. Thank you.
I didn't assign. I just.
Yeah.
3 weeks, Judge.
Yes.
That's fine. Yeah. Obligation.
That would be March 19th.
March 19th? Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Sorry for the confusion.
Oh, no problem. Bashan, Franklin is being reset for March 19th. And that will be a contested or a plea of true. I don't know.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And here's this one. Those are done. And Mr. Bonk, I'll take you up in just a moment.
She's calling. And she's not. That's everything. I didn't see cares. He calls them. I'm sure boy. What's her name? What is?
She's over there.
Can I get Quayer?
Mr. Bonk, are you ready on your case?
Yes, Judge, we're ready.
And who is your client?
Eric Cepeda.
Thank you. Let me just find him on the docket.
Page one, Judge, fourth one down.
All right, thank you. All right, so today we're set for motions and also for discovery. First off, are there any motions? Well, have you all had a chance to confer on motions and see if there's motions that you all can agree to? And if you all can do that, I'm going to ask that you all do that off docket. I think it'll be more efficient.
We will.
And then whatever you can't agree on, just let
We'll
the
come
court
back.
know.
Yes, Judge.
All right, and then the other thing, counsel, are there any discovery matters or anything that needs to be exchanged?
Yes, Judge, we have some information we want to exchange with the state. We believe it will be mitigating and very helpful for the state and something we want them to have before they consider their final plea bargain offer. So we'd like to have one more time for final discovery if that setting is possible.
All right, and then state, do you have any objections to any for another discovery setting?
Just for your notes, I know at the last setting, the state informed the court that we were still outstanding DNA, but that has recently, like within the last week, been turned over to defense.
Okay. And then counsel, I know you all will want to review the DNA with your
Yes,
client.
please.
All right, so how much time do y'all need? 45?
That's 45, 60, whatever.
Oh, see, Charles always throws in the last day. But I will tell you, I was thinking of 60 because that'll give you guys because based upon the discovery settings that we've had and the number of co-defendants, this case is complicated.
This correct. Or dump that were turned over, so I would describe the discovery as the limiters stretch.
All right, so then I won't put it as a final discovery, but we're getting close to final discovery, guys.
Yes,
So I will put it for a 60-day reset for you all to get that together. And just make sure that you all go over motions too.
we will. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, what date?
April 27th.
27th?
That's fine with me.
Okay. That's not within the week of the 22nd, is it?
No,
Okay.
After.
All right, because you guys know mom's birthday. Okay. Then, State, have you had a chance to review the defense's motion? Are we proceeding on this motion to alter conditions of bond? Or is this something different?
It might be old, Your Honor, or something you've already acted on.
Oh, okay.
Mayor, what's it down there?
Yes.
I think.
the judge, this is from November, or this is Thanksgiving, this was a Thanksgiving deal, so we're good.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. No problem. I'm glad you're on it. All right, thanks, guys.
Daniel. Eric, here's your. I should have, I may have lost, but she didn't tell me to come here. I won't.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Have a good
I
one.
did too.
Thank you.
You.
All right, thank you.
But it's not gonna happen on Monday. Okay. And I told the state as well, so the state knows.
All right, and Charles, they say you have someone else on
I
the,
have several more, but the next one is Urabas, Maricela Urabas.
all right. And have you ready to proceed on that?
We are going, yeah, we're gonna rest for the state's asking for a reset, so we're ready to proceed.
All right, could you have your client come up?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Paramio? Doris? Yeah.
Hi. All right, state. Oh. All right, then it's you, Mr. Bond. No, it's family violence. All right, what is happening on this case with discovery? Or what
There
they
is
need to
a-
reset?
The state, we reset it last time for the state to talk to a witness. I've been informed they spoke to the witness, but not enough to make a decision. So they'd like a brief amount of time to finish that discussion
All right, 3 weeks.
at the most. I was thinking 2 weeks.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 2-week reset on your ribis.
I'm sorry, Judge.
A 2-week reset.
Yeah, I gotta file the motion on the state talking to her right now. And we're gonna be filing a motion, Judge, to change her no contact to no harmful injuries. The state is with the complainant right now.
Okay,
March 12th.
Okay, March 12th.
yes.
Okay,
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Thank you.
I'll bring it to you right now.
And Norma, that's for the state to, they're speaking with the complainant, but also for them to tender an offer.
That's fine. I took care of it.
Thank you.
Yes, no problem. Sure. I'm sure going outside a lot. Let's see what's going on.
No, you have to see, no, have a seat. Don't leave it. Go ahead and have a seat.
All right, who's next?
Talk to the two outside.
Oh, no problem.
That's all we have.
Oh, I knew you were busy. I know you're running in 2 places.
That's all we have for now, Judge.
right, thank you.
Okay.
I'm sorry about this, if you go, but I'm gonna- so, okay. If you want some soup. Just like they. Yes.
Spring break day, bump it a week or something. Yeah, it's for cities.
Good morning. Hi.
Let me tell you that right now.
I love the pink.
I wear it. I have so much of it now.
So how are the children doing?
They're good. They're good. They're good. Andrew's doing well at Baylor. He's having a good time.
This is awesome.
Came
I
home.
can't get over the princess being married.
Mhm.
I remember when she was like a little baby.
She's funny. She's happy. They're doing well. They have a cute little apartment and 3 dogs, a cat and a hamster. You know,
370.
because he doesn't know how to say no to her.
Oh, but that is awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're good. Empty nesting is different.
Oh, yeah.
We carpool
So
everywhere.
do you miss the carpooling and all of that?
No, no, I do miss being the head chaperone of the band sometimes. That was a lot of fun, but I'll just go back and watch the other
You know, my mom said, my mom would always say, you know, she'll be glad when we are old but she's like, when I drive by the elementary school, I always have tears.
Yes. Yeah, but it's really neat to have conversations with them as adults and see who they've become.
Mhm.
Andrew is very, very political.
Yeah.
He's very, very, he's into it.
Mhm.
So he'll watch stuff and call me and give me his opinions. And it's just neat,
Yeah,
like a grown man.
it is awesome.
Yeah.
I always think,
Sign in.
like the way they view things. And then the way grandchildren are teaching. That's
Okay.
It's like, we were not allowed to do that. Yeah, sorry.
That's so true.
My job is just to spoil. You're supposed to lay the foundation.
That's so true.
Yeah.
That's so true. I'm gonna see if I can get an offer.
All righty.
Thank you. I'll ask my side. A few times. Here you go.
There we go.
Oh, we're gonna go. Yep. I get my guess. My buddies. I look at everything.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right, page 8, start one down.
DeAndre Coleman.
Yeah. Well. I'll get back to you on that. So. Is this okay? I don't know. We know who to go over it once more. Yes, sir.
Okay. I should want to step back.
Um,
Go over things.
I'm sorry. So you want to talk to me further about signing this, or you want to talk to the judge about the next part? It's up to you. I would like to talk to Mrs. Boyd about the next part. Okay.
Okay, talk to me concerning what?
The certification of right of appeal, we're gonna ask for a contested motion to revoke.
Mhm.
My client understands he's gonna plead not true to the allegation, one of the allegations. But it's about signing the trial court certification of right of appeal. I've circled, it's not a plea bargain case. He still does have.
Here's the thing. I would love for attorneys not to check boxes because I decide whether he can appeal or not. And I don't know what I will do in this case. And I don't know if y'all have reached an agreement whether or not he would waive his right to appeal. So I'm in charge of checking boxes. So if y'all could tell attorneys on trial court certification, please do not check boxes because then I have to scratch things out. So now, with regards to the motion to revoke, this is what I'm going to explain to you. This is a contract with the court. If you want a contested hearing, what that means is the state, whatever allegations they're saying that you did or whatever rules they're saying you violated, they'll have to bring in witnesses to prove it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. So do you want a contested hearing?
For the harassment allegations, yes, ma'am.
All right. So the only thing that I have in the,
Trespass.
yeah, the only thing I have in the motion to revoke is an allegation that you committed a criminal trespass and the use of marijuana. Those are the only two things I have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, Ms. Roy, is it possible to only contest one of those?
That can be up to your attorney if that's what you want to do. Yes, you can plead true or not true to whichever allegations you want to plead true to.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let me ask you all this.
Sure.
What is the plans for, what is the recommendation?
Recommendation from the states to revoke.
All right. And so I only have two allegations, criminal trespass
Well,
and marijuana.
there's gonna be an amended one coming. I need to be in completion because there's gonna be two number ones added to the EMTR for the cities.
All right. And in the amended allegations, what are the allegations?
2 charges of harassment.
Okay. So then what we'll need to do is number one, is that going to be filed today?
Need to probation as soon as I can tell you so they can, there and get the amended.
All right. So they're telling me that they're going to amend the motion to revoke. So what that means is they're saying they're going to add more allegations other than the criminal trespass and the marijuana. They're telling me they're going to add 2 allegations of harassment. I don't know anything about these allegations. I won't know until somebody presents some evidence to me if they do so. But in regards to motions to revoke, you can plead true or not true to any allegation you want to. So that means you don't have to plead true to everything. You don't have to plead not true to everything. It's really up to you, hopefully after the discussion with your attorney. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset it. And I'm going to reset it. It's going to be reset for a contested. If it turns out you've spoken to your attorney and you decide not to contest, your attorney, I'm going to ask that you let probation know because they'll have to have witnesses here. And does everyone want the witnesses in person?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, Ms. Ferguson, can you set this for a contested hearing, and what we'll set it for? We'll set it in 3 weeks. And so that'll give your attorney 10 days, well, more than 10 days.
March 19th.
Yes.
All right, so March 19th is going to be your contested hearing.
Yes, ma'am. Judge Boyd, while I have you, can I ask a question?
Sure. Now, whether I'm allowed to answer that or not depends on what the question is.
If I wasn't informed that further contact would lead to a harassment, are those amendments to?
Okay, so this is what I'm going to tell you, because you're asking me about the allegations in the motion.
Yes.
I'm not allowed to give you the law on that.
Okay.
You have to speak to your attorney, because once I start commenting, because it sounds like you're trying to raise some sort of defense to me. And if no, the question you're actually asking me is sort of a defense. And that's, if I answer your question, I'll be commenting on the evidence, and that makes make it seem like I'm not being objective and open. So that's a question you'll have to ask your attorney. So any legal questions of that nature, be sure to talk to your attorney about it, and he'll give you the law on it, okay? All right, any other questions?
No, thank you, Judge Boyd.
You're welcome. So we'll see you back on March 19th. That'll be a contested hearing. If you discuss things with your attorney and you decide not to have a contested hearing, he'll let probation know so they don't have witnesses. Okay?
Love your flowers.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
They brighten the room. I think so. $20. All right, Miss Abrams, Coleman is contested on the 19th. Anyone else ready? The one from yesterday. All right, could I have the cause number? Because he's not on the docket.
I can give it to you, Judge. It is 2025
Mhm.
CR 014-343.
All right, bias. Mr. Delion?
Yes.
Hello. All right, so you were not here yesterday, and the reason why I didn't issue a warrant is because I know sometimes that Odyssey has some issues. That maybe you didn't receive notice, but you're here now. So now you have notice. You're gonna get a reset form. That reset form is gonna let you know when you need to appear. And you're gonna have to appear on time. This court starts at 9 a.m. You understand?
That's fine.
All right, counsel, where are we on discovery?
Judge, so for very first setting, I've conferred with the state, and I'm looking over discovery right now. It looks like we're gonna have everything, but I need to make sure we have body cam videos, which are gonna be relevant.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset for discovery.
As far as the missed court date, Judge, it was miscommunication.
Yes,
I
Judge,
mean, that's what I sort of said.
big time, even when I, hold on a second. I mean, even I talked to the bondsman and they were like, what are you talking about? He doesn't have a court date. He has something in March. And it's like, they were confused too, Judge.
Yep. All right, we're gonna come back on March 30th. That's why when it's a first setting, because Odyssey is still doing whatever it's doing, I always have the attorney to reach out, because sometimes people don't get notice. But you also want to make sure that your correct address is in the system, because if it is not, it's going to go to whatever address you gave them. So they'll tell you, the clerk will be able to tell you how to check that.
I think I fixed that part when I went to Bell's, was when I went and paid my bond, they were like, is your number still the same? And I'm like, what number do you have? They said the number. I'm like, I don't even remember that.
Well, just check in. Well, one, you need to let your bondsman know that the number is incorrect. And then check in with the clerks, and they'll let you know where you need to go to make sure your address is correct in the system. All right, you can have a seat. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Let's have a seat, everyone. Yeah.
If you have to have it out there, not talk.
Ah, yes. Hi.
Miss Irma Porras wanted to say goodbye before we left. She goes, I love just Boyd.
Oh,
I
she's
said, "Well,
so
go
awesome.
say goodbye." But the real truth is, she wanted to see herself on TV and kiss herself and.
She's so awesome, but yeah, I do remember you going with us for the jail visits. Yeah,
And then some guy was.
I do. And I'm like,
She's got a
okay.
name like you wouldn't believe.
But we are doing, I always take my students on the jail tour. I'll let you both know when the date is. So if you want to come for the jail tour, have a second jail tour with us. You
That
can.
would be interesting.
Okay, awesome.
I've never done that.
Well, I'm gonna make sure you know.
As
the
long as
dates.
they don't keep me there.
Oh, yeah.
As long as they don't have an orange suit or red suit that fits me, I'm all right. I'll go.
Tell you this, when I was a student attorney at St. Mary's, they would always tell us, when you go out, go in pairs. Because sometimes our supervising attorneys, they would not be with us. And so everyone had a different area of law they wanted to practice in. Of course, I was always criminal law. And I will never forget, one of my classmates had to go to the state hospital. So they said, who'll go with them? I'm like, oh, I'll go with her. So we go, and when we go, do you know, they didn't give us badges or anything. They're just like, come in. And I'm thinking, how are they gonna know
Right.
to let us out? And they were locking doors.
Oh, no.
Nobody had badges on. The nurses, no doctors had badges. And I was like, I hope they let us out. We didn't even leave numbers saying this is where we are. They just said, trouble in pairs, wherever you go.
Wow.
And we would go out and we would investigate cases, like go out to the scene. And they would say, just take a buddy with you. And now I'm like, I didn't supervise us very well. What? But no, it was a great time. And I did have great supervising attorneys.
That's a good way to learn a firsthand experience like that.
Mhm.
Very good way to.
Yeah. But good seeing you, and hopefully I'll see you and Johnny at the jail tour.
I'll hope to go.
Okay, all right,
Is she on YouTube right now? Because she wants. to-
yeah, hi.
I'm putting that on her, but she did want to come say goodbye to you.
She's awesome.
Thank you, Rhonda.
You have a
Bye-bye.
great mentor.
Thank you.
All right, who's next?
Gonna go on page 3, at the bottom, and then on page 6, Samuel Tippy.
Samuel Tabler or Tabler? Robert,
Discharge.
getting old.
Speak for yourself. I'm just feeling old.
I have to lift my glasses whenever I'm reading because it's for distance, not for reading. And so my ophthalmologist wants to put the line in. I'm like, no,
Don't do it. Don't do
oh,
it.
I'm not going to do it. And he said, well, you'll come to me when you get tired of lifting your glasses. I'm like, no.
I tried that. Walk around, sit all day long.
Oh. Okay, so we're here today for discovery. And how do you pronounce your last name?
Tabula.
Tabler, okay. So we're here for discovery. Where are we on discovery?
There's still one thing outstanding, that is the prior holistic analysis is still waiting.
Do you have any idea when that will be ready?
Judge, I'm going to ask for a rush.
Okay.
So.
No, I understand it. That's out of your control. Unless you're going into the lab, then.
Some people tell me it's not really that hard. How long does it really take?
Well, whenever the witness testifies and brings the demonstrative, it seems like it doesn't take that long. All right, and that's the only thing that's outstanding?
There's another couple little issues that are outstanding. I don't think they're gonna be in court though. That's the big one.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I could get a 60-day reset, and sir, I know 60 days is a long time. Usually I don't do 60-day resets, but if they're able to get the information they need with regards to the ballistics, your attorney will let me know and he'll put you on the docket sooner.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
He's investigate to see if
Okay. All right, what date?
April 27th.
April 27th? All right, we'll be back on April 27th. Do you have any questions about anything?
No.
All right, thank you.
I'm good, my man. Okay.
Norma, anyone else ready?
Yes, Judge, on page 2, second from the bottom,
Mhm.
Jonathan Kennedy.
Jonathan Pomerantz?
Right.
Morning.
Good morning, how's it going?
I'm doing well.
All right, today is plea deadline date.
We respectfully ask that the case be set for trial.
All right, how long is this trial gonna take?
Discharge, American Post.
A week?
Yeah.
I would imagine. So.
All right, and I need an acknowledgement of discovery. Ms. Ferguson. Need a jury trial date, family violence. They say a week.
April 28th.
All right, April 28th will be your jury trial date. Counsel, please check with the jail to see if they still have that 72 hours before to have your client dressed.
Okay.
Because, you know, they changed the policy.
When did they change that? I didn't know that.
I have no idea.
Okay.
I just had a defense attorney tell me now, well, no, I think Deputy Lord told me now you have to have the clothing there 72 hours in advance.
Clothing there. Okay. Not the letter, the clothing.
Yes.
Okay.
And here's the thing, my understanding, if you have it sooner, they're not gonna, I mean, later than the 72, not gonna accept it.
Okay.
And if you have it, if you do it 80 hours, I'm sorry, 80 hours in advance, they're not gonna accept it. It has to be,
There's a window.
yes, has to be the 72 hours.
So there's a window and then I wait 4 hours to give them the clothes.
Yes.
Okay. Just want to make sure we're on the same page.
Hey, I'm on that page. I don't know if they're on that page.
Okay.
And you may want to talk with Deputy Laura to see if it's changed since then.
Okay.
And you guys are not going to have any motions that I need to hear.
I don't anticipate any at this time. If there are some, I'll ask that we come back within the next 30 days. So that way they're in advance of trial,
All right.
if that's okay for the court.
Yes. All right, we will see you then.
Okay. Do I just turn in the discovery acknowledgement to the?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
And then I'll sign it.
Okay. Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, thank you. Anyone else ready?
Yes, Judge, on page 3, third and fourth one, Roland de la Garza.
Roland De La Garza.
Good morning again.
Good morning. It's like I just saw.
Come on, Ron. My daughter was almost born on Groundhog Day.
Yeah.
I thought would have been a good birthday.
Nice story to tell.
Yeah.
All right. All right, so where are we on this?
I think we're at a discovery setting today. We have all the discovery. We're asking for a plea setting. We have an offer from the state.
All right, and sir, how old are you?
52.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this in 2 weeks for a plea deadline date, please.
March 12th.
It's my wedding anniversary.
Oh, are you allowed to be out and about on March
I
12th?
think so.
Okay.
We'll
Hey,
be okay.
you know, I'm not gonna cause problems. So what year is that?
15,
Oh, hey, time goes by quickly.
March 12th. Right. Ooh, Judge, I'm on spring break that
Oh,
week.
no, it's spring break.
I can do the 16th.
That works. 16th works.
All right, we'll come back on the 16th.
Thank you, Judge.
But here's the thing. 15 years, but is that the exact date?
Not the 16th, March 12th will be.
The exact date? You know the exact date?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, awesome. All righty, we'll see you then.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
I might be missing a digit, don't kill me. Oh, my internal knowledge, thank you.
All right, anyone else ready?
Yes, Judge, the same page, so second from the bottom, Jacob Liao.
Jacob Liao?
Whatever.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good morning. All right, the court is, sorry, no gum chewing.
Oh, it's like, what can I throw that?
Oh, there's a trash can.
We catch that.
Oh, that's okay. Is that something for me? Oh, no, that's here. Norma, on this one, I've already put in my order, but if you can contact defense counsel. Oh, sorry, here's this. Yes. All right, court is calling 2025 CR 013959902, State versus Gilbert Cuellar. Can I have parties announced? Wait a minute.
Thought you called up Liao. I said you called it Jacob.
Oh, why don't I have this? Excuse me, where's Jacob Liao? No, Gilbert Cuellar.
Yeah, I suppose we have to wait.
Oh, so
Jacob said today, this is my second setting. You appointed me at the last setting,
Take
Judge.
care of that first, and then, yeah, they handed me this, so I was like, okay. Oh, here we go.
Yes, and I have, the state's already signed off on the agreement that he be allowed to have the fees waived on his GPS monitor, and that he'd be allowed to, if he can show proof of his job, be allowed to go to work, so
Oh,
partial.
yes, most definitely.
I did check, and I do believe I've received all the discovery, so I will sign an acknowledgement.
All
But
right.
this is my first official appearance.
Right, State, if you will get the acknowledgement of discovery. And State, were you able to tender an offer or no? Okay. And how old are you?
19.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on this case. If you'll recall this. And counsel, based upon his age, I'm gonna set the plea deadline date for 45 days because I know sometimes takes younger people longer.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Plea deadline date 45 days. April 13th.
That sounds good.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you. You're
I'll
welcome.
be right outside with it.
You're welcome. Right, there's that one. Thank you. All right, Gilbert Cuellar. Which page is Cuellar?
That's on page 4, Judge.
All right, thank you. Good morning. Nine. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 013-959-02, State versus Gilbert Cuellar. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Brandon Brader, States.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Mr. Cuellar?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, off the record for a moment. Deputy Laura, can you have them move to the other end? All right, we're back on the record. Counsel, have you received all discovery that you review with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
Or not, Judge.
All right, Mr. Cuellar, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge be waiving the punishment enhancements, but otherwise proceeding as filed.
Any objections to the waivers?
No objection, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Cuellar, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with deadly conduct, discharge of a firearm as a third-degree felony. Sorry, just a moment. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason that the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Cuellar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. This will run concurrent with 2019 CR 5300. Did you understand that to be your plea? Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not, Judge.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? I'm sorry,
No contest.
state any evidence?
Judge, you have to say exhibit number 1 and all of that.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulations of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, just that he's ready to move on with his life. He is on parole for the case that's being run concurrent. And so he's going to go back to TDC and serve his time on both this case and that case, which asks you follow the plea bargain.
All right, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. This was to run concurrent with 2019 CR 5300, and there's to be no residing in households with children. Did you review the document titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, so we can go off the record. Hey, if you don't change your ways, you know you're gonna end up spending the rest of your life in prison or jail. You understand? All right, do better, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Where?
Anyone else ready?
Yes, sir. Gonna be on page 7. Third one down.
Albert Santana.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, how's it going?
It's going. Happy Black History Month.
Yes, happy Black History Month. Oh, did you get our names for today? Vivian Thomas, Marie Brown, and Charles Houston. So I tell people, look it up.
Well, for me, this week is Malcolm X.
Oh, yes. I hear you. Yes.
When was it, Tuesday?
Mm-hmm. So today is plea deadline date.
Yes, Your Honor. We do have a plea offer. But we wish to remain on docket. I know that it's old and you may put us on the trial docket. We would be ready.
All right, how long is this jury trial gonna last?
A day, 2 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Need a jury trial date? You can actually put this on the Wednesday because they're saying the trial will take a day, so we could do jury selection on a Wednesday morning and then have jury trial that afternoon.
I would just ask not next week, if possible.
Okay.
Give me 1 second, Judge. Let me look at some of the tests.
The 11th.
Of March.
When is spring break?
Yeah, that's spring break.
Like, the 18th would be the next Wednesday.
We can do it on the 18th.
Can we do the 18th, Your Honor?
Sure.
Thank you.
All right, jury trial
3/18.
March 18th.
Perfect.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused after?
Yes, once he signs the reset form and once you all tender me an acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Okay, wait for me right over there.
Just give me a moment. Yes.
Your Honor, it's on email somewhere. Are we able to? About that?
Like something you know until you get.
Oh, it's around the other.
Vashon. Sure.
My client's agreeing to plea, Your Honor, on a deferred. The only thing is he's on Zoom and he lives in Las Vegas, and if he pleads here, there'll be that issue of him not being able to leave and the transferring and all
If
that.
he's on Zoom and he pleads on Zoom, then he stays there.
Yeah. So I was just wondering if we could reset to plea on Monday. We can send the
Who's your
paper, Quentin Meadows. We can send the paperwork over the weekend and we'll have it all signed and ready to go Monday morning.
All right, that's fine. Yeah. Mr. Meadows?
Mhm.
Quentin Meadows? And what page is he on?
He is like working.
All right, I know all right, I know your client has been on Zoom like all morning.
Mhm.
Norma, just recall him for Monday for a disposition.
We'll call him Judge to get him off Zoom.
All right, no problem.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
March 2nd.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right, and don't forget to give Ms. Ferguson his email.
Yes, of course. Do that right now. Yeah, absolutely. Perfect.
And then just whatever. The state, so we can get. Oh, thank you so much.
And if you all let me know when you're ready to go into whatever breakout room.
Yes, Your Honor, let me just grab it on my phone. I don't know the.
Okay. And Charles,
Yes.
I don't know if you, with the state, y'all go into a breakout room.
She's talking.
I could do it, Your Honor.
Okay. Yes. Okay. And who are the parties on this Zoom that need to be in the breakout room, everyone? I have a Rocha.
That's her attorney?
All right, so,
Yes. That's Rosalind Flores, the complainant's
okay,
attorney, so they
so
both need to be there.
I'm gonna move them to breakout room number 1.
Okay.
And just tell them, let me know if they want his client in the breakout room as well.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, I'll-
All right, who else is ready?
That's on page 1, Robert Monreal.
Yes.
We're ready.
Oh, I'm sorry, you say you're ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, Roberto Monreal. Yes.
You could have Ms. Flores to the breakout room with them.
Is she the one who's on the iPhone? I'll send them there.
I'm not sure, I thought her name was underneath last time I saw her.
It just has a chopper on here. I tell you what,
That's Mr. Dominguez.
all right, so I'm sending the iPhone to number 1.
Okay.
Let me know if that's not the right person.
Yes, sir.
This one moment.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, on Monreal, the co-defendant was here, and my understanding that there was, the DNA was recently available.
Yes, Judge, that's been recently tendered via e-discovery to defense, but I'll say with this last.
All right, so we're gonna call this back for a final discovery on April 27th.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you excuse.
Judge, we also wanted to see if we could finish on his application for the trade school. It was, I believe we stressed some last week.
Judge, Nahara was gonna hear this.
I'm unaware of that, Judge.
All right, so I don't have a specific, what the date written here is on March 3rd.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do y'all have any documentation from wherever he's supposed to be doing?
I believe he would get the documentation once he does the interview.
Is that the case?
Yes, ma'am.
You can go in like from any day, like Monday to Thursday, from 9 a.m. to like 4 p.m. It's like open door.
All right, so here's the thing. I'm inclined to let him apply. But you'll need to give a time
Judge,
for when, because you have 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Like, why is it 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.?
it's a couple of hours, 2.5 hours for the actual interview process, and then some travel time, lag time before and afters to go to it and back home.
So GPS always allow for travel time. So how long, what time is the actual,
They can go at 9
Yeah,
a.m.
we're probably
on the 3rd,
okay, 9 a.m. to,
approximately 3 hours, Judge. Don't know exactly how long it would take.
how
I
long?
wouldn't know either.
Well, is there anyone can call them and find out how long it takes?
It's kind of one of those organic things. It depends on what comes up in the interview, how long the process is. But they believe you show up at 9, there might be a possibility that you don't get in for 15-20 minutes, whatever it may be, but they seem to feel like 3 hours is sufficient time for, it could be less, but that should be sufficient to complete the interview.
And State, I know you're objecting to him being allowed to interview. All right, so defense, y'all need to give me a formal motion because this is just something that's printed on an updated letter.
I thought there was one e-file for them, but
I just have this.
if not, we will get you one today.
All right, so that'll need to be done. And I need some specific times. I need you to know who specifically you're gonna meet. It has a location on here, but that really is not telling the court anything. Like, what's the name of the business? So
We
that
have
will need,
independent electrical contractors.
all right, so that needs to be in your motion. And the specific time needs to be in the motion, and of course, the date.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
No, you're right.
No, Your Honor. We will get something filed with the court this morning.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes.
Have to sign this.
Yes. And for him to talk to.
Yeah. Okay, we'll get one.
Okay. And that's the. Oh. Yeah. Thank you so much. My sister Charles.
Yeah, I have, Martin Evans.
Oh. You're back.
All right, just 1 second.
And 1:30. It's to get your check. And Adam is in front of your transfer. We don't have that on numbers. If you can buy, you don't know. So. We have to process the complaints. Yes. He's coming at 1:30. We can get it. He's coming. Well, he's a professional, yeah. I think so. Okay. First one, I was in research. Okay.
Tacos enchiladas.
All right, who's next?
On page, one, first one, Middlebrooks.
Andre Middlebrooks.
Yeah.
Good morning, Stephanie Brown.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Good.
All right, let me see. Obviously, it's moving a little slow.
I'm used to that circle.
Yes.
Keep floating.
Okay, so I have today as the plea deadline date. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so have you all reached an agreement or is this going to be a trial?
We have not, Your Honor.
Okay. How long do y'all expect the trial to last?
Recently, probably with the secretary.
All right. All right, Ms. Ferguson?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from each party, I'm going to need an acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes, sir.
And counsel, you received the psych evaluation results, right?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date,
April 28th.
April 28th.
April 28th.
All right, we'll be back on April 28th. If something clears up and we're able to get you in sooner, your attorney will let you know and we'll have you brought back sooner.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
Have a
you're
blessed
welcome.
day.
Oh, you too.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Oh, and counsel, you heard about the clothing exchange? 72 hours, you can't do it,
Yes, I know.
but talk to Deputy Laura because that may have changed.
Okay, I hope it does.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, guys. Exactly the same.
All right, who else is next?
On page 10, first one.
Page what?
Page 10. Bottom right up.
May I approach, Judge?
Yes,
Good morning. How are you doing today, Judge?
great.
I have an off-docket dismissal for you, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So how's today going?
Almost done, fortunately.
Oh, hey, it's
Michael's
Friday
already
Eve.
done, so now I'm just kind of trying to catch up before he,
Oh, yeah.
we have Mexican at the office, so I got to get there before he decides to eat all of it.
Oh, you must.
How about you? How's your day going, Judge?
Oh, it's going great. I always say, it could always be better. Instead of saying it could always be worse, I always say it could always be better.
There you go.
But hey, it's Friday Eve. How can you get any better than that?
This is true.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Oops, sorry. Let me find this. All right, so on, Mr. Chapa,
Yes, ma'am.
all right, here's my thing. All right, anyone else ready?
Yes, Judge, on page 5, second down. The ones that are on Zoom, Judge, for Rosalind Torres.
All right. Rosalind Torres, is that the contestant?
Your Honor, for Gabriel Zamora, she's the complainant and we're gonna withdraw,
Okay,
but she has a CTD case.
okay. And State, have you all had a chance, do you all need to go into criminal trial division? Do you need to go into the breakout room on Rosalind Torres? All right, so if you all are joining, I'll send you all to breakout room number 1. Her attorney's in there with her. Anyone else ready?
I'm ready.
All right, Dorian Camarillo. All right. So Mr. Cox,
Yes, ma'am.
they're co-defendants in this case, and
Yes.
For the previous conversations, the state informed the other attorneys and informed the court that the DNA evidence had just been returned. And so they're uploading it or tendering it to everybody.
Okay.
So I'm extending the discovery so defense counsels can make a decision on whether or not they want a DNA expert or
Yes, Your Honor.
whatever you may need to do. So the final discovery is going to be April 27th.
27.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Is there anything else?
Nothing, please.
All right. Once you all sign the reset form, he can be excused. Thank you.
Hey, Judge, I have one. One more.
Thank you.
You ready?
Yeah, pick up the reset.
This for the-
Here's a copy for you. There you go. Well, this is Denver.
Yes.
Your first tier, criminal prosecutor is not familiar with the term, I'll gladly pay you Tuesday.
If I could,
Okay. Well, you know what?
Explain it to you later on.
Okay, so here's the thing. The problem is, I don't know, her not knowing that is a good thing for us. Maybe we're aging ourselves. But you know, it goes back when people say, you know, oh, I'm too young for that. I'm like, but everybody's seen Stripes,
Everybody sees things.
you know? Cornelius, you're my big toe. You're my big toe.
so
Cornelius, I think I speak for the whole platoon when I say we should, you know, schedule this for a different day. Yes, we were, oh, Rick, see, Rick knows. Isn't it awesome?
Yes.
Don't touch my stuff. Yeah, that guy was so hilarious. They're like, okay, Francis. Yes.
It's like,
Yeah.
so Judge, this is the withdrawal on Zamora. Did you want the amended conditions? I mean, do you want the case to come forward?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr.
Yeah,
Zamora.
I guess we're ready.
Okay,
They
thank
haven't
you.
said anything.
Gabriel Zamora. Come forward. Who else is ready?
On page 4, second down, Mark Guerrero.
Mark Anthony Guerrero. Oh, if your client will come up, where is he? Really? Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Let me see. Okay. What I see.
Yes, of course.
All right, so today is plea deadline date.
Yes, Judge. And we did get an offer that we think would be acceptable, but my client between the last court date and this court date has heard some snippets of information about mental health court, and he would actually be interested in applying to mental health court. We would ask for the court's permission to extend the plea deadline so that he may submit an application for mental health court to see if that may be an option for him.
All right, that application needs to be done today.
Yes, Judge.
And Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 2 weeks for an update on referral to mental health court.
Yeah. March 12th.
All right, March 12th.
Yes, Judge. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then, Judge, do you guys have copies of the application?
Ms. Ferguson will take care of it.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
All right, who's next?
I'm preparing a plea test, but I have no one waiting at this point.
All right, thank you.
Okay, and that's all fine. Name, birthday, phone number, email? Okay, perfect. Gotcha.
All right, thank you.
Good. One there. There. Huh? Seems too long, that's not long. Why you're married? Yeah. So.
Yes.
I think we've added the language that satisfies everyone, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, let me do this.
Yes, sorry. I've got his contact information. It's there at the bottom if you want to read it, or I can read it out to you, whichever's easier. Yeah, I can write it down.
Yeah, you sure? Okay, thank you. Yes, ma'am, we are. We need to get on the trial docket.
Okay, just one second.
Thank you very much.
Oh, wait, should I give you a picture?
No, we haven't got one yet. Okay.
Is this Houston Southeast Church?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, you were doing great reading my chicken scratch, Your Honors. That was me trying to write logic like that.
Okay. All right, just give me a moment.
365.
Thank you very much. No question. For someone on probation for felony theft, what version of anti-theft laws you should take? That my client might be taking it before we take it. Just wasn't sure. Extra twice for every point of these are our requirement, but same for.
You don't have to push Schaefer's out, right? If he has anything, just text me.
Okay.
I've been trying to keep an eye on his docket now. It's a whole lot of back and forth cases. Like, if something pops up, just.
Yeah, could you, give me what's coming on that printer, please? And I'm sorry, just going to add something else. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it switches. Same thing happened. I was actually. Weird. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. How I can survive. That's actually on. Some days are going to sit down. I'm doing discovery. Six gigs. So I was watching things. And like, I don't remember passing out. I remember what worked out. So I went ahead to head. Not sure. One.
All right, it's printing now. All right, there you are. If you can give a copy to expense. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 0000978 State versus Jessica Cantu. Could I have parties announced for the record?
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Cantu?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Odyssey is being very finicky today.
You have to do an update on it, just.
Yeah. And there are no applications in this case?
There you go.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Cantu, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state just waive the punishment, please.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Ms. Cantu, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Cantu, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes.
All right. And when I say the plea bargain page, that's just the page that tells you what you've agreed to. So do you understand what you've agreed to?
Yes.
All right. According to your plea bargain agreement, the state is waiving the enhancement. They're asking that you be punished to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. And there's an $800 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes. Could I ask you for a favor? Is there any way that I can referral to you for help?
I'm sorry, what?
A referral for me to go because they're asking me to take something from the court or from
So
the.
what will end up happening, when you're at the Bexar County Jail, at the jail, they have different organizations there. And they will do the referral for you for Haven for Hope.
Okay.
I personally can't do that because if I accept this plea, you'll no longer be under my jurisdiction. But I will tell you this, when you're released from jail, if for some reason you don't get to the referral and you can't get there, if I'm still here, you come back here, then I'll be able to pick up the phone, okay?
Okay, yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So everyone, is that the plea?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
I'm sorry, yes, sir. State offer seats the other way, what is wrong?
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, off the record for a moment. Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
can you call Esperanza Court and see if they have anyone who can come over and give her some resources to help her get into Haven for Hope, or either call the community court? We'll see what we can do today, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony with your attorney? Did you understand it and
Yes.
sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only that we urge the court to follow our plea bargaining agreement.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 1 year in the Bear County Jail under 1244, give you credit for any time served. There's an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Now, with regards to the 1 year in the Bear County Jail, I'm not in charge of whether the jail counts every day that you spend at the jail, 2 days for every 1 day spent. That's completely up to them. The only thing you're receiving from me is a sentence of 1 year in the Bear County Jail. So you will not spend longer than a year. You should not, okay? All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Okay, so deputies, if you could let her remain in the courtroom, I'm gonna see if I can get someone to come over from the treatment courts to help her out. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, the name of that place is Wakayama or Wamayaka?
Oh, gosh, there's so many cities that are so close to that.
Wamayaka, I think that's what it is.
Not Yokohama.
No.
Let's see.
Wakayama. Wakayama. Oh, that's where that lady says she teaches. And she bought a home there and now she teaches, but she speaks the language fluently.
And she actually moved there permanently and bought a
Yeah,
house.
she's from Australia though. I think Australian or either New Zealand.
Okay, so kind of funny. One of my coworkers was an Aussie, and I had a British coworker also, and students absolutely could not tell the difference between our accents. And I was like, "You think the Aussie and I sound the same?" Yeah, pretty much.
Aussie, oi.
But as they pointed out, it's like, well, look, the Tokyo and Osaka accents are really different, and it's like, I bet you could not hear the difference. Like, that is fair. Like, no, there's no way I could hear the difference.
Oh, wow.
So,
All right, everyone, the court's gonna go on recess unless, is there something?
We're ready.
We have one.
Okay, just 1 second. Good thing I didn't delete that. Let me see the name. Sorry, I'm glad you guys caught that.
This one's like, no. No, for now, but keep it.
Glad somebody caught that.
Okay.
Okay, it should be coming out.
And Judge, is there anyone in the breakout room for Rosalind Carter trying to get on?
No, let me see. Just 1 second. Let me see who we have.
Of course.
Give me 1 moment. I'll go make a copy. Thank you. Well, I have you in the waiting room and I'm just
That's something.
letting you in. But that's it. And then the other people already in. There's somebody on an iPhone in breakout room number 1, but that's Mr. Roach's client.
Yes,
And then.
Oh, is that Rosalind?
yes.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so what is happening with this case?
We're just trying to handle Mrs. Torres' CTD case.
All right, let me see if I can get her out of that room. I'm gonna move her to the main session. All right, Mr. Rocha?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm trying to get your client out of the breakout room. Could you go back to that room? I'm asking her to come to the main session, but she's not moving.
Let me try, Your Honor.
All right, thank you so much. And then after this, the court is going to go on recess.
Can I give you two places to reset this?
Yes.
Thank
But I'm going to take care of this first. She's here now. All right, now let me tell him, yes, he's back. All right, she made it out.
I was gonna say, Your Honor, when I got there, she disappeared. So
Yes, I was on here. Sorry, it wasn't letting me connect.
No problem. So on this case, where are we on?
I'm about to convey an offer to counsel.
All right, so Mr. Rocha, if you would go back to breakout number 1, and I'll send the prosecutor in number 1.
yes, Your Honor.
All right. And then
Would you like my
Taurus-
client to
Ms.
be?
Torres, you can go to number 1 too.
What? Okay, where do I go with that?
Oh, you know what? Let me do this. I'll change it and move you to number 2 so it'll pop up on your screen.
I'm also going to number 2, Your Honor.
Yes, I'm sending everybody to 2. All right, yes, Norma.
Okay, the first one is Joseph Dominguez, page 3, one down. With Adam.
Joseph Dominguez.
Morning or afternoon now.
All right, so here's the thing. Court in here starts at 9 a.m. You've been here before.
Yes, I was late today, so I'm sorry.
It's not
I
allowed.
card show this one.
Okay. All right, so today is plea deadline date.
Yes, Your Honor, we tried, but we're at an impasse. We're gonna need to try this case, Judge.
All right, how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
3 days with jury selection, 3 days.
All right, and I'm gonna need an acknowledgement of discovery. And Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
I need a jury trial date, 3 days.
I can do. May 12th.
That
All
should
right.
work.
Your jury trial is going to be May 12th. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not consider any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, just have a seat. They'll give you the reset form.
Like I said, sorry about being late this morning. I had card show.
All right, thank you.
Have a seat, buddy. You're good. You're right back.
Yeah, Your Honor, will we vote?
Just 1 second.
Yes, sir. Good. Keep it busy. That's usually it's not this would be the phone. Wow. I don't answer. So. Yeah. See, it's all around.
Joseph Dominguez has 2 cases.
I think they put it on the one indictment that he does have.
But he has a,
He's in a meeting and a manpower.
That's what it was, yeah.
okay, all right, thank
We're
you.
good. Both have the same transaction though.
All right, and so there's. Okay. All right, Norma, who's next?
Adam Cruz, page 5, 3 down.
Adam Cruz.
He's present, Judge. He's in the box. I conferred with
Come
the
up,
state.
please, Mr. Cruz. Yes, counsel.
So they've made us an offer today.
Mhm.
My client wants to think about it and we want to go over all the discovery, which I've now gotten.
All right, sir, how old are you?
37 years old.
All right, Norma, recall this for 2 weeks for a plea deadline date? Do you have vacation or something? coming up?
I do, but I'll be back in 2 weeks.
Okay, what date, Ms. Ferguson?
About to be at March 12th.
March 12th? All right, so we'll be back on March 12th and that'll be your plea deadline date.
Tomorrow today.
All right, who's next?
Thank you, Judge.
I just heard some attorneys that wanted to approach on motion to withdraw that Mr. Wilkins. I don't know, he wanted to know if we need to set that for a hearing.
Oh, your motion to withdraw.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me see. State, are you gonna object to his motion to withdraw?
These aren't both cases.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You couldn't do 20 years.
Yes.
He has a question about, he played a case last week, regarding a warrant.
Okay, where is it?
Judge, if we may approach.
Oh, it's with Fashawn.
Judge, this case right here, we knew that the MTR was coming. We settled all of the amending conditions and everything. The state agreed that if he pled in his new case, whenever the MTR came out and everything, that we would just withdraw. The other case, he's already been put on probation and everything, so we should be good to go.
Okay.
Thank you,
Right,
Judge.
thank you.
That warrant will be withdrawn, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Once they put it in the system, it will be done.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, everyone, we'll be back this afternoon. Oh, yes.